Bonjour! Welcome to our channel Learn with Safaa. Apprenons le français. Let's learn French. Today we are learning a few words starting with each letter of the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's start. In our previous lesson, we learned the alphabets in French. Do you remember? Before learning your first words in French, let's have a small recap. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, ananas. B, bébé. C, coca. D, dinde. E, éléphant. F, fromage. G, girafe. H, hibou. I, igloo. J, jaguar. K, kangourou. L, lion. M, miel. N, nid. O, oiseau. P, perroquet. Q, queue. R, rose. S, singe. T, tigre. U, uniforme. V, vache. W, wagon. X, xylophone. Y, yacht. Z, zèbre. Let's have a small recap. Ananas, bébé, coca, dinde, éléphant, fromage, girafe, hibou, igloo, jaguar, kangourou, lion, miel, nid, oiseau, perroquet, queue, rose, singe, tigre, uniforme, vache, wagon, xylophone, yacht, zèbre. Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for more videos. Au revoir! À bientôt! Goodbye! See you soon!